let's open up the software which I already have installed in the computer. So this is the interface of the MagicISO software. So going downwards, this is the directory. So from my computer, I'm going to go straight to the file I want to create as my ISO document or ISO file. I have the Windows 10 I want to create as an ISO image. So all I have to do is to drag and drop it here in the empty sheet, in the empty space. So the next thing I have to do is to go by the left hand corner where we have save as, which is this icon. So right now what I want to do is just to save it as an ISO folder, which is creating this zip file as an ISO image. Let me say Windows 10. When I click on save, the whole process starts to create the ISO file. This is how to create an ISO file using the MagicISO. Like, share, and subscribe only on Softskills.